Hello guys, I'm Harlan Quest to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your email ID in case you couldn't sign in or someone who has hacked your email ID, hijacked your email ID, in case someone who has changed the password, stolen your email ID, or in case unfortunately you have lost your device. In that condition you are unable to access particular that email ID that was logged in particular that device. We will see live here because unfortunately one viewer who has recommended to other recovers on this particular ID. How they recover we will see live here. Now see guys here, just we can go for next, and if you are facing this kind of the couldn't sign in, then go for next now. And in next what will happen here guys, we have either password, we don't have a password, we will go with try another way. We don't have a password, we don't have a phone number, we don't have the recovery email, how to access to it. Now we don't have a phone number, so no need, just click on here. Now see guys, it's a thing that we did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is mine. Of course we can provide enough information to Google by alternative way, and we can show that this account is mine. How it is possible? If I go for try again, similar procedure will be open. Once again multiple time if I try here, then what will happens, when another platform will be opens to a submit document identity and via different email, and thereupon of course Google will endorse to justify that this account is really or not, on the basis of if it is then in that condition of course you will have an opportunity to create the strong password within 48 hours. If you don't, then you won't be able to access your particular email ID. So in that conditions, how do you access to quickly recover your email ID? Of course we have an alternative way. Just simply we will cut it from here, and thereupon click on a especially Play Store. In Play Store we will have to download, yes, that's the browser, and here let it open. So it has started to install, so we will cut it from here, and we have 2-3 actually protocol that is very essential to the procedure. So hold this Google browser, and thereupon let's see, here is a one icon, just we will click on here, and thereupon here see this platform will be open. Now we will have to make it disable this notifications, absolutely we will have to make it blocks, and thereupon of course we will back. Yes, in the permission we will have to navigate the location. In the location firstly we will have to use these precise locations, and thereupon of course we will click here don't allow anyway, and here don't allow anyway. If we click here, then of course it's notifying that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. For time being I am doing it, so click on it. Now here we will cut it from here, and thereupon similar of course we will have to come in a Google product, and thereupon we will have to hold a Chrome is also product of ads. We will come in a especially help icon, tap on it here, and thereupon what will happen here guys, notification is enabled, so check it out. If it is already disabled, then no problem at all. However, check it out and do it. So now see, it has been disabled. Now we will back, and one more time we will come the locations to, of course we will come in a navigate the location. In location of course we will make it disable the precise location, and then of course we will go for don't allow anyway, so function as intended will be no longer finds. One more time we will have to backs, and see actually here a little bit the problem cam, just simply we will cut it from here, and once again we will have to come in especially the Chrome browser, so we will come in a Google to of course hold it, and thereupon we will come in the notifications, and sorry in a help icon. In a help icon of course we have a browser app, just we will have to select this one, we will have to select this one, and we can cut it from here. Now we can yes go for an administration, open it especially this, and now here we will have to write google.co in, so let it cut from here. Yes, we will go for continue, and thereupon here just we will go for right here, so let me have this browser. Now right here Google Coin. So just we will come to have check it out. Now here see Google Help, just we will click on here. Now we will have to this account. In account here just we will go for, see, someone change the password, and of course here what we will do, just we can go for here, see, just we will come in here, we will come here, keep your account secure, where it is, this one, this part, just we will click on here, and upon here just to see, sign into your Gmail accounts, and now we will here click on it, especially go to Google accounts. Now we are here. Now here what we have to do, simply we will have to write this ID, it was fines. Now here what we will do, just simply we will click here to next, and yes, we will go for forgot password, and thereupon now see here just we will click on a, we don't have a special phone number. Now it's saying that couldn't provide or didn't provide enough information for the Google, similar strategy. So now we will don't click on a more tips to other covers, and don't click on a, otherwise it would be a freeze for timing. Why it's so? Because I'm trying to recover the particular ID that yes doesn't belong to me, that's why I'm trying to recover via different browsers. In that condition of course we will not try against, otherwise it will be freeze for particular timing. So now what's the another option? Of course we have the more tips to other covers, alternative options, cut it from here. Now we will have to tap on especially setting options. We have a in similar we will have to pick this Google service, either you have phone or iPhones. In iPhones this is not the possible, of course on Android you can apply. Now see here, in click on a help icon, and here we have options that click on it. Now we have a multiple options that you think someone else, of course we will pick these ones. Now yes, the browser will be open, see here, just wait here. Now here we can say secure your account to this page, and of course here we have a review your account activities. Now check it out, find out your account has been hacked, and now just here account recovery page, let it open. Now here similarly of course we will have to type this particular ID, then of course we will go for here, let me click here to next, and here see what will happen, directly we would be landed here. And now see here guys what we have to do, just click here to cut it from here, no problem at all. Now we have two options, that is especially change the password, go for continue. So just we will click here change the password, and of course now here we have a strong opportunity to create a strong password, confirm the password. We will go for click on here, tap it, and after changing the password of course we can enter their alternative emails and alternative phone number, and this ID will be, firstly we will have to secure this data, and upon of course and upon we will add the alternative email and phone number. So live this cannot be done right now here, so just we will do by outlines now, by especially of this video tutorial. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys, how to leave the feedbacks below the comment box, and how easily this is institution purpose, don't misuse it, this tricks. And upon if you found this is informative and acknowledgeable and helpful for someone, then don't forget like, subscribe and share of this concept, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to make such as informative tutorial guys. So thank you very much indeed, have a great time, bye bye.